Hi guys, I am getting ready to make a dry shampoo for our team and for a group that we're doing, and it got such good response, and I got so many questions on it on my Instagram that I thought I would come on here, hop on real quick as I'm making it and just show you guys how to make it and what is a dry shampoo. So what is a dry shampoo? A lot of us use this. If you've never used it before, we put it on our roots for if you have an overabundance of oil production. I like to use it after working out and I have to go run errands and can't quite hop in the shower, or just that light sweat and you're not ready to wash your hair yet. You're gonna put this at the roots. I honestly use this after it's clean or when I just wash my hair, because I like the texture that it gives my hair. And I hate when my hair is really clean and it just won't do anything. So those are some of the reasons you would use a dry shampoo. There's hundreds on the market. Unfortunately, most of the ones I've found are either aerosol, which is really bad for our environment because of the gas that it lets off. It's also really bad for us too. Or they just have ingredients that I don't approve of and won't put on my body. I also use this for my daughter for cheer to really help give her that texture and give her that bigger ponytail that they have to use, and I won't use those other products on her. So let me just show you guys quick, easy way to make it. Super simple. I'm just going to use arrowroot powder. I've been using, there's still a ton in here, and I've been using this for probably almost a year now, maybe. So arrowroot powder. If you have dark hair, you're just going to use a cocoa powder. And I'm going to actually make one of each today for our team. So, and then we're going to use 3 oils. I've used several different combinations, and this is by far my favorite. So rosemary, peppermint, and lavender. Not only does it smell really good, all 3 of these are known to improve blood circulation. And remember, we're putting this right on the scalp, right? So anything we put on our body, our skin, affects the bloodstream within 22 seconds. So all 3 of these are going to help improve blood circulation. They all promote hair growth. They all promote prevention from hair loss. And they're really good. Rosemary and peppermint are both really good for flakes, if you have any trouble with that, and then stimulating hair growth and strength. Rosemary is really good for strengthening hair. So that's why we're using these 3 oils. I'm making a smaller batch today just because that's the containers I had, but I usually do a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and then 2 drops of each oil. Or you can do 2 tablespoons of the, not cornstarch, arrowroot powder, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder if you're doing for dark hair. So this one has cocoa powder in here. I will shake it up after. And then just 2 drops of each. That was peppermint. Same thing, rosemary, lavender. And then I just, if you get an extra one, it's not going to hurt anything. And then I just put the lid on and shake it really well. So it's really that simple. Put the lid on, and then I'm going to shake this up really well, and if I need to, I will go in and use a spoon. But super easy. And then I'm going to use mine to just show you guys how. I already put some in my hair today. I just use a big flat brush. If you have one at home, we are going to be giving away one on our group. So if you're watching this and you are part of our group, then enter to win. Okay, so I just dab it right here in the lid. It's a little messy, but I usually do this over my sink. Shake it off a little bit, and then you're just gonna go through and put it right on the part, right? And then you can separate it and continue down. And then you just kind of go through. Once you've put it where it's all the parts that you want it, usually we're gonna focus like wherever you're oily, even the back of the neck, you can part it and put it back there. And then you're just gonna kind of rub it in. Smells amazing. works really well. It's a lot cheaper. You can continue to make it over and over and over again. It's good for the environment. It's good for your health. So why not? So hope you guys like this. Comment below if you have any questions. This and my sea salt spray, which is I use a lot during the summer, are my two favorite products, and I'm going to show you guys in a couple days how to make that too. That's another really easy one. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day.